What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. It just takes a second and really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at Windows keyboard shortcuts that you should be aware of, whether you're a novice, PC home user, help desk technician, engineer, or senior solutions architect. Making good use of your time is paramount. If you incorporate these quick shortcuts, you will be a master of efficiency. Let's go over a few. First, some interactive desktop shortcuts. Press Windows plus R for the shortcut to run. Press Windows S for the shortcut to the search bar. Press Windows E for the shortcut to open up File Explorer. Press Control, Shift, and Escape for the shortcut to Task Manager. Next, some application-specific shortcuts. In any browser, press F5 to refresh the screen, then press Control F5 for a hard refresh that re-downloads all page elements, and press Control F for find, where you can locate any text in the entire page. Next, some text shortcuts. Just about in any document editor, Control A to select all, Control I for italic, Control U for underline, and Control B for bold. For some clipboard text shortcuts, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control Z to undo, Control X to cut, and Control V again to paste. The clipboard shortcuts also work with File Explorer. Control A to select all, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. We now have duplicates of everything. We can press Control Z to undo, Control A to highlight again, Control X to cut. We can see that they're kind of grayed out. Let's do a new folder. And Control V to paste. Two last shortcuts. Do Windows D for desktop, which will minimize everything and get you to your desktop. And then do Windows L to lock your workstation. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful. And if I missed any shortcuts you use in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.